Okay, so what's up guys, I'm back with another video. So today we are going to, right now I'm going to what is that? ചേട്ടാ അതിൻ്റെ പേരെന്തോന്ന്? കടുംബു? Okay, Kadumbu Rocks, yeah. This is only about 6.8 kilometers from my home. Not that far away. Everything is very close to my home actually. What is this bike? A Harley Davidson? Yes, it is. It's like look, his whole body is vibrating. You guys call Royal Enfield as vibrating machine. What do you call this then? Okay, so the time right now is 5 o'clock. No, it's 4:49. The reason I'm going at the evening is because to see the sunset. Of course, I've been there before, but not recently, like a couple of years back. I don't know how is it right now. So I have my cousin brother with me. He's sitting right behind me as my pillion. Shastambara is 2 kilometers from here. Where Shastambara is actually a location, but then we have to walk a lot. Walk in the sense climb. I only go where the bike goes. So no. And the reason I'm not wearing my riding jacket is, first reason is it's freaking hot. The second reason is it's just like as I told, 6.8 kilometers from my home, so I don't think I need that. I'm not gonna go insanely fast. These places, man. Oh, look at this. ഒന്ന് റൈറ്റ് അല്ലേ? Man, this is insanely steep. Yo. Kadumbu Hill. Oh shit. Yeah. This is it, guys. Oh my god. There's a lot of people here. What is this? Why? They took their cars there. ഇവിടെ ഇത്ര ആൾക്കാർ വരുമോ? ഇത് ഭയങ്കര ഫേമസ് ആണോ? Okay. You know what? Holy crap. This wasn't this beautiful when I came before. You know what? I'll stop there where we came initially. expect a lot of people in here. I thought there would be not even a single person here. Holy crap, look at that, bro. This is amazing. ഞാൻ ഇടും എന്ത് ഞാനിടും ഇത് ഞാൻ ഇട്ടിരിക്കും Okay, I guess a time lapse in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we are going from here. Such a nice place. Yes, I guess that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.